Hey guys, Joe Doobie with the Captivating Content System. Doing a video here on how to use your life experiences to create engaging content. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen here and take you to the mind map. Okay, remember, in the overview, I promised I would do that. I would kind of teach you how I go about doing it. And so, I've used, let me go ahead and go to this here. This is a post that I created um, a while back, and it, excuse me, it got some pretty good love here in one of the Facebook groups. So really, what I did was I said, okay, I'm going to use one of my life experiences. So when I started out, the system is this here: topic targeting, right? So what I did, I already knew I wanted to do a post about how I had just finished launching a product, and I wanted to tell people how it went and share my experience. So step one was done. I already knew what I wanted to do. So then what I did was I went through um, the rest of the steps here. Okay, for the headline, um, I ended up using um, successful people do things that most people won't do. Okay, I didn't use the headline in my post because I didn't see any need to. But so anyway, that's what I used for the headline on my blog, right? So then what I did was I just started, created a buzz, in the first paragraph in the introductory paragraph for the setup, right? Um, and so, it says, I let people know what I was going through, if you know anything about me, and I've been looking for a business to start because I had some medical setbacks, right? So I went through that, uh, told everybody, what I was going through, and then in the main body was when I started here. So what I did was I hired a coach in September, right? And um, explained, what I went through and what I decided to do, and I kind of built up, gave some background about about me, about what was going on, and all that kind of stuff, right? And so I started to give a solution to the problem, right? And then um, what you call it? That was in the main body, right? And then what I did next was then I ended up wrapping it up and had the solution, right? And my takeaways. So, and that's towards the end. I just wrapped it up. Okay, my solution was go ahead and uh, and launch a product and launch a business that creates products and launches them, right? Sells them. So that's what I did, and you can see this. Uh, See that I got some pretty good love here, right? Got you know like 8 comments, and I got some likes and some love. This is just on one post. I use this post in several groups, and then on my page, and I mean, my fan page, and also my profile. So just and just as to keep things going, like I always reply to everybody, and I like their comments so that they see that, and then they may comment some more. That's then other people that have commented, they see that the thread's still going, so it works out pretty good, so anyhow, wanted to show you that it's really simple. I when I do this and I think about my about something that that it's happened to me, and I want to go ahead and post about it. I take something like that, like what I did with my first product, and I kind of break it down through this system that I've created, and I try to make it as engaging and interesting as possible. So, I mean, you'll see as you go through this, it's really simple, and I think I've done a pretty good job with explaining how I do it. It's really not that hard. You just got to get after it. You just got to, you know, take action, right? So, anyhow, that's it for this video, and I will stop it and see you in the next video.